Hey guys, so I am Arvijan B. Morenes, and for this video I'm gonna show you the tutorial setup for the chatbot testing. So in this video I'm gonna test the bot if the keywords and the buttons are working well and the chatbot is set up correctly. So first I'm gonna go to my page. As you can see on the screen, you just have to click this icon to use my personal account to message the page. So next is click this one, then as you can see here, this is a get started button, so I just have to click that button. So as you can see, the bot is responding. So you have three options here: the business owner, freelancer, marketer. Let's test the business owner first. So as you can see, it responds, and next let's try to check the services. See, so as you can see here, we just offers various services that will surely help you and your business grow. Here's a list of services, so you can see a list of services here. And next, let's try the free consultation button if it works. As you can see, it proceeds to my Calendly account where the client can book a 30-minute meeting, so it's going pretty well. Next, let's try the chat with VDesk button. Okay, it responds. So, free consultation, that is the same thing that we clicked a while ago. So let's try this chat is fine button. Okay, so you can see noted on that I already notified VDesk about your concern, so it's working. Next, let's try the freelancer button. As you can see, we have three options here. Free consultation, that is the same thing. Let's try the services. You can see here, you see a list of services here for the freelancer button. Now let's try to test the chat with VDesk as freelancer. Okay, as you can see, it responds with two options. That is still the same, so let's try the chat is fine button. Okay, as you can see, it works. Other than that, I already notified VDesk about your concern. Next, let's try the marketer button. Okay, let's try this button. One more about. So let's try the chat with VDesk as marketer. As you can see, it responds with two options. Let's try this chat is fine option. Okay, it works. Next, let's try these services. Okay, so next I'm gonna test the icebreaker, so I just have to enable the icebreaker. Just have to delete this one so that we can do another chat. This is the icebreaker. Here you can see I'm gonna enable the icebreaker now. Then click save. Next, click the contact us. And okay, as you can see, we have three options here. First is the what are your services. Next is the how much is your rate, and next is the portfolio and resume. So first, let's try to test the what are your services button. Okay. Okay, so you see it responds, "Hi Jing, I'm Irvi with the assistant bot. For me to know which type of services do you need, I need to know more about you first. Please click on the button below on what best describe you." So first, let's try the business owner button if it works. Okay, so you can see you have a list of services here. Awesome, with this virtual solution offers for services that actually help your business grow. Here are the list of his services. As you can see here, services. Next, let's try the freelancer account button. Okay, so you can see here, this is the same thing with the list of services presented. Next, let's try the free consultation button. Oh, so as you can see, it still proceeds to my Calendly account, and you can book a 30-minute meeting here. Yeah. Next, let's try the marketer account. So as you can see here, awesome. Venus Virtual Solutions offers various services that can surely help you and your business grow. Here are the list of its services: general virtual assistants, social media, and etc. I would suggest that you talk with Venus Virtual Solutions, booking free a consultation with him so that you will know more about how he can help you grow your career. Just click on the box below to get your free consultation. So let's try this one if it works. Okay, it still proceeds to my Calendly account, where you can book a 30-minute meeting. So next, let's try the other button. We just have to delete this one. So we can start another button. So next is the how much is your rate button. Let's test this one. Okay, as you can see, we have services here. Let's try this one. Okay, here, see a business owner. Okay, so it's the same thing as before. Let's try the freelancer button. Okay, it's working. It's the same thing. Free consultation. Okay, Calendly. Still Calendly. Let's try the marketer button. Okay, it's still working. It's all good. Okay, it still proceeds to my Calendly account. Next, let's try the last button for the icebreaker. So here, portfolio and resume button. Let's test this one. Okay, it responds. So let's try to check Vida's portfolio button. Let's try if this works. Okay, as you can see, it proceeds to my website. You can see here my about us, the home, the portfolio certificates, and etc. Next, let's try the Vida's resume button if it works. Okay, as you can see here, this is my resume. and it proceeds to the Google Drive where my resume is saved. So next, let's try the keyword. So let's try hi vdesk. If it responds. Okay, as you can see, it responds. So it shows you three options: to business owner, freelancer, marketer, as same as before. Business owner, perfectly fine. Next, freelancer. Okay, it's working. Next, last the marketer. Okay, it still works. Now let's try to uh, may I know your services. Okay, it still works. So you can see here the business owner account, the freelancer. Let's try the freelancer button if it works. Okay. Last is the marketer button. Okay, so that's it for our video. As you can see, all buttons are worked and it's set up correctly. So that's it. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Goodbye.